So to finish up our app, we're going to create an order, or we're going to create a mock-up of an order screen. So I've just started this for you to get an idea of it. So you can see here we've got first name. Now this is made up of a label and a text box. Oh, sorry, text box down there. What we need first of all is our layout, because we want these to go horizontally. So I'm going to pull my horizontal layout and pop it there. Then I need my label. And then over here, the text for label, so surname. In there, we don't need anything else on there. And then what we need is our text box. Oh, hang on, sorry. So label 3, surname. Yeah, that's all correct, right? So second thing I need is my text box. Pick it up, make sure you're dropping it in the same box as surname, and that's where they'll write their surname. I think they're okay size-wise. Now, because obviously what we're doing is we're ordering, what I've done is I'm going to do a plus button and a minus button for each item on the list. Now, obviously you don't have to do everything, so I've just made a start on it. So we need a label. Oops, sorry, I've forgot my layout, so I bring my layout box over. We get our label. So, I don't know, maybe this one is going to be... Veggiegiro. And then we need to put a button in beside it. So we're going to get a button here, drag it into there, and one more button here. And obviously this one is going to be a plus button. So the text that's going to show on the button is a plus. One is going to be a minus. Now, really what we should do here is make sure these are labeled. Although we're not going to code them, it is still good practice. So Veggiegiro and plus BTN. And then this one would obviously be called Veggiegiro minus. And obviously what would happen here is if I pressed plus on the cake button, it would add a cake to my order. And if I did a minus, it would take it off the order. So you can add anything you want here. If you wanted to play with some of the other ones, you could do, we'll do another horizontal alignment. So let's imagine we've got all the foods that we want to have on there. I'm going to do a label. Date for delivery. And then I'm going to pick this up and drop it in the same box. Date for delivery. And then and what will actually happen in the app is that you will click it and it will allow you to pick whatever date you want for the order. So you can have a play around with these. You could have a list picker, which obviously allows you to have a list of different things. So you might want to actually Google how the list picker works on there. We'll just delete that one off here. So list picker, delete. Yeah, you could have a slider. So if you wanted to maybe get somebody to give you like a score or something on how much they enjoyed the app, anything like that you want to use. And then you can always have, sorry, we'll delete that one. At the very end, you could put a button, submit order. Now the ideal thing here would be when you click this button, add in a new screen that says your order has been submitted. So when they click this button, it will say the order has been submitted. Obviously it's not going to work, but it's just to get an idea of what you could do. So just have a play around with all of these different bits and pieces.